sure, this is the delivery of fuel up into the gallery. There's a sort of gallery that goes around the outside, and that's where all the fuel vapour ends up. And in that there is also a jet for the priming system. So you've got a little pump that, I'll come around the other side now, go around to the, you've got a little pump that primes that gallery. You know, it's like just a starting prime. So you've got a little separate tank here for priming petrol and a little pump here, and you just flick that on, and then this thing is like a little clicker. It's actually off of a cooker, but it's just that makes all the spark plugs spark when you press that. So you you give it a little prime with the fuel prime button, turn it over, and then press that little spark button.
Run us through that again, Andy. Sorry, I didn't get it. So what happens?
So you've got a priming system for the engine. This is the priming tank. That's just got some petrol in it. Right. That goes to a high pressure pump down here, and the pump delivers it into a jet in the fuel gallery, where all the fuel goes to all the pots.
Right.
So, okay, so that's the way it starts, and you've also got this auxiliary spark generator. You can hear that if your video's got a sound in it. And that goes to the central point on the distributor, and it's distributed to all the plugs, so it just makes
all at the same time.
Yeah, all the plugs spark, and they do actually, because I've had them out to check that they do.
Right.
So that gives it a really, gives it all guns blazing just to get it.
Contact. Chocks away. That's brilliant. What do the neighbours think of it?